Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make cappuccinos at home. Now, a lot of people get cappuccinos confused with those beverages you can buy at a convenience store where you go in and you push the button and it squirts out what is called a cappuccino. That's actually nothing more than an instant hot chocolate with a little coffee in it. If you want to make cappuccinos at home, what you're going to need is an espresso machine. You're going to need some finely ground espresso, some milk, and some flavoring if you prefer. You could find coffee flavorings down the coffee aisle at any supermarket, and you can choose whatever flavor you want. Now, traditional cappuccinos are typically served in a very small cup like this, about 4 ounces in total. But in America, if you go to any coffee shop, typically we drink our stuff a little bigger. So you can make a cappuccino whatever size you prefer. Today we're going with a 12-ounce cappuccino. In order to make a cappuccino, what we're going to do is we're going to steam our milk first. Now, for cappuccino milk, we're going to want a lot of foam on top because our end product, what we're going to want is about 1 to 2 ounces of coffee or espresso in the bottom. We're going to want about 2/3 of the rest of the cup filled with hot milk, and then we're going to want a large chunk of foam on top of the beverage. That's what makes it a cappuccino. So go ahead and take your cold milk, fill up your carafe halfway. You're going to steam your milk on high. Now the trick to getting foamy milk is to place the bottom of the steam wand at the very surface of the milk and steam it like that for most of the time that you're heating up the milk. And what you'll notice is that the milk grows as you steam it, meaning it comes to the surface, and that's because it is creating the foam for you. Once you're done with your steaming your milk, you can remove it from the espresso machine, and then you're going to want to pull your shot. In order to pull the shot of espresso, you're going to take your portafilter. You're going to fill it all the way to the top. You take your pinky finger and make a smooth surface across the top. Take the tamper and apply 40 pounds of pressure, pressing downward into the portafilter. And this is to make the espresso extremely compact. Go ahead and put it back on your espresso machine and pull your shot. Once you're done pulling your shot and you have your cappuccino milk ready, you're then going to take your serving cup. You're going to add the flavoring first if you want flavoring in your cappuccino. And you could put 2 to 3 tablespoons depending on how sweet you would like your cappuccino to be. Then you're going to take your shot of espresso and pour that in. Finally, you're going to add some of the foamed milk to the beverage. And then you're going to stop about when it comes to 2/3 way up the cup and scoop out the remaining foam from the carafe onto the beverage. And in the end, you'll end up with a very enjoyable cappuccino. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make cappuccinos at home.